Hello, everybody. This is Ricky from RMT Books. Today, we're getting into another episode on content creation, of course. And to record this video, we're using the OBS screen recorder. So that's just a tip for you guys if you're out there, you want to do screen record videos. OBS screen recorder is awesome. And you can use it to pick up a microphone too. All right, so we found this template today. We're going to go over how to post on the Instagram. First things first, we search for a template on Canva, and this is kind of some cool colors. But what we're going to do is we're going to just customize this template to make it fit for our Instagram posts. And today, Instagram is going to be Guitar Ministry Project. So let's see here. We go to Instagram.com. Now, the Guitar Ministry Project is, how do you say it, a subsidiary of RMT Books. So this is a Instagram page that's managed and run by RMT Books from the content creation side of it. It has different posts, piano playing, and then there's some stuff about songwriting, and then there's all these guitar lessons on here too. So there's 33 guitar lessons on this Instagram page, which is cool. So what we want to do today is we want to post to here, and we're just going to start, like we were saying earlier, with the thumbnail for the Instagram. Okay, so we're just going to call this Guitar Ministry Project, like that. And we're going to take this and bring it way down, like this more. Okay, and then this guy right here is going to go. And we're going to look through the elements on Canva, and we're going to look for a guitar. And then from the graphics, we'll take one out. Something like this, right? And then we'll just fit it into the square right here. Crazy. Something like this, but a little tinier. Like that. And then we're going to upload a Guitar Ministry Project image onto here so that we can get a color scheme for it. So if we go into RMT Books and Guitar Ministry Projects, content, logo, this is the logo right here. So we upload the logo right here, and then we kind of just drag it onto there. Something like this. Okay, and then we just start picking out the color. So this is the background. It's like a gray, a dark purple. So we'll just stay with like a dark green, like that. And then the cream lines. We'll do these dark gray lines. And then we're just going to change all the colors at once. Okay. And then we got here 3 different colors. So red, we want to do more of this brown here. No, we'll do more like this green. This should be green to pop a little bit more like that. And then this one right here. Okay. And we'll make this the same color. All right, like that. And then this one, it's going to take that pop from the green. So we got something like this. All right, so we were just messing around with the color scheme there. Basically, for the colors here, I was going and using colors from the actual image itself. So here it says colors that are already in the image. I use those ones. And then I'm just going to take this dark green from that from the logo and keep it like this. And right here, we're just going to put RMT Books like that. But we're going to have it all caps. Like this. All right. And there is our logo. Don't worry about trying to add more to something that's already been a template. Just take it. And we're going to download this as a PNG. Okay. So you download your thumbnail, and you go to your downloads folder, and it'll load up here in a second. And this is the file right there. And then you take it and you just organize it right away. So you go here to Guitar Ministry Project, Content, and then Post Artwork is right here. Control V it, and then stick with the naming convention. So we're just going to call this Post _3, right? And then here too, we want to change that so that everything has the same kind of lowercase name. Okay, so we do that. Now we have our thumbnail. Now we just need our text. And for text, you just go to ChatGPT. Why? Because it'll save you hours of your day. And really, that's the only reason why. So we're going to make this text super duper fast here. Otherwise, something like this is going to take you 30 minutes to an hour. What's about to happen in the next 2 minutes, okay? So just write, I need an Instagram post about the Guitar Ministry project. Talk about that they offer guitar lessons over the internet. So Zoom. And then I'm just going to tell it like, but include other options that are video chatting software in your Instagram post. Make the post fun with emojis and include 15 relevant hashtags in both German and English. All right, so we got that. All right, so it took a couple tries, but we got something that's not so in your face sales pitch like, hey, 50% off, everything, everything must go. Nah, this is more like telling a story, and it's allowing the text to create a connection with the audience. Boom, so we're done. Now we have the text, now we have the image, and we can go ahead and share that. All right, guys, so that's how you do it. You create the thumbnail, create the text, and you're done. I believe that took us about 15 minutes to go through the whole process, and that's pretty good amount of time considering how heavy this text is and how many hashtags you have there. Definitely, guys, go check it out, guitar.ministry.project on Instagram. Check out this post, like it, leave a comment. And thank you for watching this episode of the RMT Books podcast, where we go into content creation. See you guys next time.